How to fix Wi-Fi calling not working on Samsung A08. Let's start the video. First of all, open quick settings panel, so just swipe down and click on this power icon and click on restart. If you want to fix this problem, so again tap on this restart icon. Your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so open quick settings panel and click on this flight mode. Turn off flight mode and turn on flight mode. Turn on or turn off flight mode 1 to 3 times. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, last solution is factory data reset. Click on settings app. Click on general management, click on reset and click on factory data reset. Click on reset, enter phone pin, click on continue and click on delete all. After click on delete all, go back to home screen. Please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.